Number 1. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, equipped with a strong 350 V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It has covered 167,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless look. As a 4x4, it's well suited for both daily driving and light off-road use. Considering its age, the truck remains in excellent condition. While it is not in mint condition, it is completely rust-free and has clearly been very well maintained throughout its life. It runs perfectly, with no known issues, making it a reliable choice for its next owner. The vehicle comes equipped with a number of convenient features, including air conditioning that blows cold, power windows, and power door locks, all functioning exactly as they should. In addition, although not shown in the photos, a custom canopy is also included for those who may find it useful. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, features a manual transmission, a black exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a reliable 4.3L engine mated to a manual gearbox, offering a more engaging driving experience. With 444,000 miles on the odometer, it has been consistently used as a daily driver and remains in running condition. A number of important components have been recently replaced to keep the vehicle in solid operating condition. These include a new battery, alternator, spark plug wires, spark plugs, ignition coil, distributor, power steering pump, differential, master cylinder, and slave cylinder. While the truck is mechanically functional and dependable for daily use, it will need an AC compressor to restore the air conditioning system. Number 3. 1977 Nissan 620, price $7,995, classic import pickup that remains in impressively original condition. It is equipped with a 1.95L 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering an authentic driving experience true to 1970s imports. This particular example runs and drives as expected for its era, maintaining its original character without significant modifications. Finished in a red exterior with a black interior, the truck is powered by a gasoline engine and retains most of its factory components. Aside from aftermarket wheels and side mirrors, it remains largely stock, which is increasingly rare for a vehicle of this age. Overall, it stands out as a hard-to-find classic pickup that still operates with its original setup and delivers a genuine vintage driving feel. Number 4. 2000 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,995, with 223,000 miles and a clean title. This pickup is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, providing a more engaging and reliable driving experience. It features a silver exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look that still holds up well over time. The truck runs and drives great, showing solid performance on the road. The clutch operates smoothly with no grinding or slipping, and the transmission shifts cleanly without any pop-outs, indicating that it has been properly cared for. The interior remains in nice condition, with seats and cabin components that have been well preserved for its age. On the outside, the paint is in good condition and still presents well, while the body maintains a clean appearance overall. The truck sits on a set of great tires and wheels, ready for daily driving or light-duty work without needing immediate attention. Number 5. 1994 Mazda B3000, price $3,500, with 121,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior. This is a 2WD model, making it simple and efficient for everyday driving or light-duty use. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the engine runs strong, offering a reliable driving experience. It starts easily, drives well, and would make a great practical vehicle for someone looking for a classic, no-nonsense pickup. The truck does have a couple of minor issues worth noting, including a small exhaust leak and somewhere on the headliner, but nothing that takes away from its overall usability. Additional features include a clean Washington title, a newly installed Apple CarPlay stereo for modern convenience. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 238,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a tan exterior complemented by a matching tan interior. The truck is powered by a 4.3L engine, which has been replaced with a used unit. It has received several recent mechanical updates, including a new crankshaft and timing chain, contributing to its smooth performance on the road. It runs and drives well, making it a solid option for daily use or a reliable work truck. Additional improvements include a new fuel tank, fuel pump, and sending unit, ensuring proper fuel delivery. For a more customized stance, the truck is equipped with 2 to 3 inch drop shackles, slightly lowering the rear. Inside the cabin, the matching tan interior remains functional and comfortable. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are in good working condition, providing comfort in different weather conditions. Number 7. 1996 Ford F-250, price $10,000, showing 341,000 miles on the odometer, paired with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it's powered by a strong turbo diesel engine that continues to perform reliably. The 4WD system works perfectly, making it a capable option for both daily use and tougher conditions. One of the standout points is that the engine has zero blow-by, a great sign of its internal health despite the high mileage. In terms of maintenance, the truck has seen several important recent updates, including new batteries, a new alternator, rear brakes, as well as refreshed door pins and bushings, all of which contribute to a tighter and more dependable driving experience. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 131,000 miles on the chassis and is powered by a remanufactured 350 V8 engine sourced from a 1995 Blazer, with approximately 34,000 miles on the engine. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a clean silver exterior complemented by a bold red interior, giving it a classic and eye-catching look. It runs strong, and the 4WD system operates as it should, making it both reliable and capable. Overall, this K1500 is a solid and well-sorted pickup that stands out for its condition and drivetrain. It's an excellent candidate for a full restoration project, but it can also be driven and enjoyed as is without any immediate needs. Number 9. 1972 Ford F100, price $7,200. It has around 100,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a rebuilt 5.9L engine, upgraded with an Edelbrock 4-barrel intake and 600 CFM carburetor. The truck has received extensive maintenance, including new fuel system components, belts, hoses, starter, battery, and refreshed transmission seals. It also features a dual exhaust with Flowmaster 40 series mufflers, new brakes, brake lines, master cylinder, and new tires with warranty. Additional updates include rear axle seals, service differential with new gasket and gear oil, a new windshield with gasket and blades, and a new column shifter. All lights and signals work, while the dash lights only need bulbs to function. All gauges are operational. Number 10. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,000, with 290,000 miles, powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline. It features a white exterior and a blue interior, giving it a classic, old-school look. The truck runs, drives, and shifts well, and was driven about an hour without issues. The engine does need valve seals, as it smokes on startup and after long idling, but clears up quickly and still runs strong overall. It has good tires, a solid exhaust, and everything functions properly. The frame is clean and solid. The body has some rust, mainly on the driver's side rocker and cab corner, but is reparable, while the floors, inner rockers, and cab mounts remain solid. The bed has rust on the top rails, though the floor and supports are still in good condition.